Hey guys, it's Susie with Susie Nails It, and on today's video, I'm gonna see if I can fix this. I was peeling potatoes and, well, basically my nail got in the way, and I took a chunk out. So, this manicure is about 2 weeks old, and I was just kind of playing with a different design on it anyway, so I didn't video this design, but I figured I would see what I can do to fix it, and this is either going to work or it'll be a fail. Either way, we'll see what we get. Now, just like with any other manicure, we're going to start with a little bit of base coat. Next, I have Sinful Colors. It is called No Text Red. It's absolutely a gorgeous shade of red. I love this color. And I'm going to add just a little bit of that on there. My next step is to add just a touch of top coat. That little bit of top coat has had some time to dry, so what I have next, as my equipment starts rolling across my desk, is a Sharpie pen, and I'm actually going to use this to fill in the area here that has been missing some black polish. I'm going to apply some top coat here. All right, let's see if I can get a close-up of this here. I'd say overall that looks pretty good. I can barely tell where the repair is, and so I'm going to call this one a success. So let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me at Susie Nails It on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You guys have a great day.